weathering at that time I carbonation से समझाया था MP, Maharashtra, Meghalaya, these regions has also. Now the glacier landform. If you are watching glacier landform, I said that first, before getting into this, we have to understand the types of glacier. One we have to see, it is a continental glacier. Another I said that alpine glacier. If I say that large amount of it is in the form of ice sheet, it is in the form of ice sheet, and we can be able to see like Greenland. Another we can be able to see Antarctica. These are known as, I said that, continental glacier. And in geography one word is there, mountain building. Tertiary period में जो 50-60 years millions ago जो whatever the mountain has been formed, they are known as, and there are no new fold mountain जैसे Rockies, Andes, जितने भी mountain बने हैं, these are the new fold mountains, and these are especially alpine mountain system known as. इसीलिए क्योंकि old mountain system जो पुराने हैं वो ऐसे हो चुके हैं और वहाँ पे glacier नहीं आ सकता, and the new fold higher height like Himalaya, वहाँ पे higher height पे there will be a glacier. Therefore, I said that is known as alpine glacier. So another glacier is, I said that, alpine glacier, and that is glaciers on the mountains. Glacier on mountains. Glacier on mountains. Is it clear? Can I say that if I'll go into Norway? If I'll go in Norway, Sweden, these are the very cold countries out there. And then even some countries of this area, if you'll sometimes you'll see in the foot of the mountain there is also glacier. And then foot of the mountain is known as Piedmont. Foot of mountain is known as Pied means foot. And then we are which kind of animal? Which kind of animal? Bipedal, pediped. And हम लोग कहाँ चलते हैं? We are moving along the road, or we are moving along the pedestrians. हम लोग कहाँ पे चलते हैं? Footpath, that is in a pedestrians. We should not move along the road. It is for the vehicles and all. Understood it? So I said that PED, if an animal having 100 spits, 100 means cent, PED means foot, centipede. So paid means foot. Paid means, and then mountain foothills, and I said that another glacier, I said that Piedmont glacier. Which glacier I said that? Piedmont glacier. Understood it? And we have to study this glacier. We have to study. If we have to see the erosional landforms, then we can be able to see where? Onto the mountain, not in the Piedmont, onto the mountain, that is an alpine glaciers. Understood? Now, you know that, have you seen, आपने snow देखा है? Have you seen snow? कैसा होता है? It's like in a cotton. It's like in a what? Very soft. बहुत soft होता है. And I said that there is a snowflakes, and when the several snowflakes get together, जो आप देखते हैं after the snowfall, falling down, they get together and they become, these snowflakes become what is a little bit stronger, and it is known as a granular snow. And when the several granular snow get together, they become like hard. They become hard. And that is known as what? Firm. That is known as firm. Understood? So which are we have seen? Which are we have seen? Snowflakes. Several snowflakes get together become granular snow, and several granular snow get together become fun, and then this is, I said, very hard, and several fun get together become, this is becoming glacier ice. It is becoming glacier ice, and is completely like a hard like rock. It is in a hard like. Hard like rock. और mountains पे glacier बनने में it takes some 1 lakh year. If it is in a snowfall started taking place, snowfall continued, and then slowly thicker. इसमें आप डालोगे sometimes in the mountaineers को आपने देखा होगा, they used to go along with some kind of what is an iron tools that it is in a putting whether this size is strong or not. तो these ice are जहां पे strong नहीं होता, these are supposed to what is ना, और जिसमें आपका पैर भी घुस जाता है, ये सब होता है वो. लेकिन हार्डेस्ट जिस पे आप कर चढ़ सकते हो, जिस पे आपके पूरे spikes kind of shoe you can fix and then go, it is what? This one. When the several funds. So which are I said that? Snowflakes, granular snow, granular snow, fall, and then glacier ice. Next one I am going to talk about, I said that these are the types of glaciers and all we have seen, and we'll have to see like sometimes in the nature of them. And sometimes I said that suppose there is a large ice sheet and one rock is standing. It's not like this much. One rock is standing. Everywhere ice sheet. Like I said that what is the meaning of island? What is the meaning of island? Island means one a land mass surrounded by water body. So in the similar case, if there is a charge, all side there is a what plain ice and in between one hard resistant rock. It is known as Nunatak. Yes? What it is known as? So लिख लेंगे Nunatak is what? One hard resistant rock which is surrounded by one hard resistant rock, one hard isolated resistant rock surrounded by all sides ice. Surrounded by all sides ice. Understood? Now, another portion that we have to see, like what is the meaning of crevasse. Yesterday in the river landform I have said that what is the meaning of crevasse? Nunatak. 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 Understood? A large hard resistant rock uplifted, surrounded by all sides what? Glacier or ice coverage, that is known as Nunatak. And the crevasse, river में आपको बताया था old stage में क्या था? Natural levee, Yazoo river, perhaps you remember? Natural levee, Yazoo river, and some crack develop, and वहाँ से crevasse split. Perhaps you remember? Crevasse split. So I said that crevasse means crack. And when there is a glacier कैसा है? It's like a rock. And when the glacier is moving, and when it has to turn somewhere, ऐसे जा रहा है rock पे कहीं bend हुआ, there will be large number of, it is in a rock. Rock जब भी ऐसे turn होगा, there will be cracks develop. टूट जाएगा ना? Yes or not? And then when the ice will what move, and then you can be able to see like these are the these are what? When it started moving downward, there will be a cracks develops. Moving downward, there will be a development of what? crack, that is known as a crevasse. And some crevasse is also developing. I'll come here. So what is a crevasse? Crack in glacier. What is the crevasse? Cracks in glacier. Next point I am going to see, and write down evidences, discuss evidences which can prove, discuss evidences which can prove that in geological past a geographical region has glaciation or ice age. Glaciation or ice age. Understood? And then first point that we have to see, and ये कैसा ग्लेशियर बोल रहा हूँ? Here I am discussing continental glacier. I am discussing what? Continental glacier. And these are, I said that first erratics. Second, I said that striation mark. And then third, I said smooth polishing of bedrock. Smooth polishing of bedrock. Understood? Smooth polishing of bedrock. Understood it? These are the three things are there. The first we are going to see erratics. And I said that this is erratic. Erratics are like, and I said that big rock like a building. Big rock like a building. So which are the erosional forces? कल हम लोगों ने कौन सा erosional force किया? Coastal, oceanic wave. Yesterday, before that we have done river erosional force. And the river, oceanic wave, glacier and wind. Yes, and today we are doing what? Glacier. And then if we see the glacier, so on the continent, which are the three erosional agents are there on the glacier, on the continent? Yes? River, glacier and wind. Oceanic wave in the coastal, not on the continent. Now tell me, this bigger rock, who can make this kind of bigger rock to travel hundreds of kilometers? River? River कर सकता है? No. Wind can do? Wind तो यहीं रहने देगा. Another I said that river can tumble it, and then I said that it can move few meters, something like this. Yes or no? So who can, what is the thickness of glacier? If you remember, in continental drift I have given one climatic evidence, and this climatic evidence में paleoclimatic मैंने बोला था, India, peninsular India has what? Glaciation. Peninsular India has glaciation. And then I have also discussed, I said that Australia has a glaciation, and I said that Africa has a glaciation, South America, वहाँ पर भी मैंने ये word बोला था, erratics. Yes, perhaps you remember. Then I have discussed, I said that striation mark, and then I have said that smooth polishing of bedrock, and then glacial tilts and all. Understood it? So I said that I talked about what is an erratic. So how can you say that it is an erratic or it is brought by glacier? How can you say that? कैसे कहोगे ये erratics है and it is brought by the glacier? हो सकता है this rock can be it is a part of the same reason. Yes? Yes? हाँ? इसका मिनरल कंपोजिशन और इसका मिनरल कंपोजिशन अलग होगा. Yes? मैं कैसे कहूंगा if I say that if you are I said that a portion from Africa living in India, can you say that he is an Indian? डायरेक्टली बोलोगे he is from Africa. देखते ही उसके चेहरे को देखते ही तो ये रॉक और ये रॉक दोनों क्या है? डिफरेंट रॉक है. If a rock is different from the surrounding rock, it simply indicates that it is an what? Dumped by, brought by glacier. If this rock in the peninsular India, if the peninsular India, you will say that if you will go in this region and you will see granitic rock, some granitic rock, and you know that यहाँ पर कैसा rock है? Basalt. Suppose. Then can I say that this granitic rock and नीचे का rock क्या है? Basalt. It means it has been brought by. So this rock is different from the what? Surrounding rock. This rock is different from the surrounding rock. It means it has been brought and done by glacier. It has been brought and done by. Now again, this is what is it is in a large. So what is the meaning of erratics? It is also erratics. It is different from the surrounding. So what is the meaning of erratics? In a large boulder sized rock, it is dumped by glacier and it is different from the. What is the meaning of erratic? It is a large boulder sized rock. Large boulder sized rock which can be dumped by glacier only and different from